Hello beautiful people, how are we doing today? I am doing great, thanks for asking. I hope you're doing very well too. My name is Haleigh and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here with all drugstore products. They're all super affordable and I love them. They're my favorite drugstore products of 2017. I got my Starbucks cup and my McDonald's sweet tea, so we are ready to go for this video. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, I've already primed my face because I have no primer from the drugstore that I like. So I use the Smashbox Primer Water and the Smashbox Iconic Photo Finish Primer Stick. It's a mouthful. Alright, so for foundation we're going to be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cream Beige. So what I like about this foundation is I don't have to get it all over my hands. And everyone says something about the smell, and I don't really care. I don't mind the smell. I think it smells good. I love this foundation. This is my third bottle of this stuff. I love it. So to blend that out, we are going to use the new Real Techniques foundation brush. It's kind of like an oval brush, and I've been trying it out for the past couple weeks and I really like it. So I would definitely recommend this brush. So we're just gonna blend that in. So now that our foundation is blended, we're gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the color Light Neutral. So we're just gonna do some more paint here. Conceal those eye bags because we got jobs, you know. Just gonna put that all over and down the center of our nose. Oh, that's hot. Oh god. Oh. So to blend that out, we're gonna use this $2 brush that I got from TJ Maxx. You know. We gotta save money up in here. We're just gonna blend that out by beating our face. Okay, now for powder. We are gonna be using the Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage. This is a really good powder and it's like $6 at Walmart. You can get it at Walmart for like $6. And it's a really good powder. The only thing is, it kind of smells like, you know, like what your grandma's makeup smells like. That's what this powder smells like. So we're just gonna put that everywhere that we just put concealer. Got a little stash going on there. And down the nose. I like to make sure I get it in the creases of my nose because that's where I get a little bit oily. So we're gonna bake it. Wake and bake. Okay. So now we are going to do eyebrows. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Eyebrow Pencil in black because these eyebrows are black. And if you're wondering why this one is a little wonky, I have a scar right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a scar right there. And it makes my eyebrow look weird, so my eyebrows will never be twins. Okay. Eyebrows are rough, but whatever. That's how I like them. So for eyebrow gel, I have this Sonia Kashuk clear eyebrow gel, and we're just gonna brush these guys up. I'm really not too concerned about eyebrows because this eyebrow is messed up, so who cares? I'll just live my life on the edge and not fill in my eyebrows like everybody else does. For bronzer, we have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light brush again. I'm going to use the shade side, and we are going to carve out those cheeks. We're just bronzing. We aren't contouring because nobody has time for that. We're going to bronze up these chins like I haven't had B-dubs 3 times this week because I have had B-dubs 3 times this week. I'm gonna put it again. I love B-dubs. Some honey barbecue wings. Yes. We're gonna get this 5 head. Because your girl has an egg head. We're gonna hit this bottom lip real quick. So it looks like we got bigger lips. And there, we are done with bronzing. So for now we are going to highlight. First we are gonna be using from ColourPop Luster Dust. Nomi is the color of this. It's like a rose gold champagne-y type color, but you really have to be careful. Like I barely can y'all see that glitter floating everywhere? Like you gotta barely tap your brush in, and then watch this, watch this. You ready for this? You guys see that? Yes! All right, and because we're extra in 2018, that was my New Year's resolution. We're gonna be taking the NYX Born to Glow highlighter in Break the Rhythm. And then we're just gonna add it. Woohoo! Hello! NASA couldn't see us, you know. That's like the goal of highlight, right? Is to like stop the spaceships. You know what I forgot to do? Wipe away the powder. No one was reminding me to wipe away the powder on my nose. Oh well. Alright, so we'll just have to add a 3rd layer of highlighter. Put that on the Cupid's bow. On the nose, so we look like Rudolph. Yes, and on the chin. And a 3rd one on the cheeks, because we wiped some of it away. Let's get real. You can never have too much highlight. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush and this half brush from e.l.f. that broke on me. And I have no idea what color this is blush. It does not say on the thing. I think I might have ripped it off. But oh well. Okay. Alright, so we have lashes next. So I have the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black and the Essence Volume Stylist. Tati made me buy it. But it's really like, I would rather have this L'Oreal one. And I have an issue with my eyebrows, so eyelashes. So I want you guys to look at this. This is one go through. Hi. Hi. Can we just? But honestly, I have really long eyelashes anyway, so any mascara makes my lashes look like this. Yeah. So, really not that big of a deal, but this mascara is bomb. And I like that the wand is so skinny and you can get like your lower lashes really well. And I also have a problem with my eyelashes because they are so long, and when I put on mascara, I'll get like black lines on the top of my eyelid where my lashes hit my eyelid, which is super cute. But I guess that's a good problem to have. Better than no eyelashes, right? All right, so then now that our lashes look like little tiny spider legs, we're gonna take this one and it's more clumpy and we're just gonna add a layer and go through that to make them look a little bit more clumpy. Sorry if you can hear that truck in the background. We have people working, I think they're working on the gas lines or the power lines or some shit up the street, so they being loud. All right, next we're going to do lips. So let me get my lip liner. Where you at? Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Rimmel Exaggerate and Ravish. It's like this dark red color. So we're just gonna line our lips. You see that? What the hell? We can still use it. Okay, no we can't. It's okay. Ugh. I hate that. Now it's all jaggedy. Ugh. I just ruined my day. Good enough. So for lips, we're gonna be taking the NYX Lingerie and Lip Lead. I love this color red. It's like a berry red. Okay. So now that the face is all done, we're gonna be taking setting spray. I have the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. Love this stuff. You can get it at Target for like $12.99. No, it's like $15, but it lasts a long time and it's really good. And then I have the NYX Matte Finish Spray, and even though I have dry skin, this doesn't make me too matte, and for some reason I'm getting really oily in my T-zone even when it's winter. I don't get weather, but whatever. So I just kind of spray this like in the middle like that. And that is it. Oh my god, we're done. Do you guys like my shirt? It's an H. Can you see it? It's an H for Haleigh, because that's